abantu abamu banyiiza omuntu omwekitiibwa omuntu omwagala ninga ye akyaza bakuvuma intentionally.
Mtabani wa chamale Mirundi mukomole.
Awo tetunatuukawo.
What are you talking about?
Pastor Sempa.
No, kati
madda awo banange. Ye batna yenta.
Mtabani wa chamale Mirundi oli mukomole. Kalyawo kalaba kali kati simanya biki. Okala bidadala kana kato tiketa gokube he needs a masculinity.
Aina amana nagati Junior kakati bakuvumye jango clarify enough ne views. It will not work that way. I make the rules here. Most of the things concerning me, I make the rules. Nzakula amateka ku bintu ebinkwatako. If you want us to go that line, let us see. There's no question about it. If you want us to go that line, fenata aliko kuchaza abavuma abalala. I don't know. So help me God, I don't know. I don't know. Atenze kastanta aliko kunyiga. You see me, I have a problem. I'm like my dad. The moment I get angry, I don't reason. Zekastanyiga sit mbasi chategira. I'm very destructive. Ask those who have fought me. Gwebuza abanwanisiza. Ebyange bigwera mu negotiation. When I stand up to fight. You ask those who have tried me. Abantu banyoma, people underestimate me. Mama na Uganda banyoma abantu bebatamanyi. Umuntu abera unakuzalawa aka Junior, but the day we fight each other. Botegera ati Junior siri mwangu. Nzombulire byabanene. You have big people. Munene chibwe staina. Okay, which big person have they seen? I have a meeting with the president. Kati which big person gogendo kungamba. Who told you to abuse me? Me, I'm not a hypocrite. Muvuma abantu ne mutandika. Gwe kondi bajja kutta. Nze siri mutemu. You fake me, I can't kill. I can also kill, I have the capacity. You fake silly. Johnny Yagwe. So nze si chaina muntu agamba mbu when you separate with me. Mbu I die. If olaba safanga tata wanga afud. Did I die? Siriwo. So let us learn to give each other respect. Mostly our workmates. When people come to abuse me on your channel, when you are my friend, please answer them for me. I don't even have to come. That's what a friend does. If you are really a friend, but they can't belittle your friend, disrespect your friend to that level. As for you, you are there, laughing, pretending you are not part. You are keeping quiet. After you release the video, then you call the other person, come and reply. That is hypocrisy.